All right, guys. Hello, welcome. Totally buenos dias. Another traveling Costa Rica video. We're in the series down in Puerto Jiménez. I kind of don't even know where we are. I'm just coming along for the ride here. We're going gold panning. Gold panning. We are in Brazos de Tigre, the town is called. This is our guide right here. I quite frankly don't know how I ended up here, just with my buddy, and we're going to go out into the jungle looking for gold, apparently. But before we continue walking, let's talk about how we got here from Puerto Jiménez.
So this trip will probably take you 20 to 30 minutes. This part here is paved very well, and then you'll turn off onto some gravel roads that are hard packed and not too rutted, although it wasn't raining that much when we were there. You're passing through some jungle, farmy kind of area here. Then you arrive in Dos Brazos.
Now the road in, guys, was, from Puerto Jiménez, if you watch that video, see all the roads are very well paved and in good order. But once we turned off here, they all look like this. They're all kind of gravel, varying degrees of pittiness and stuff like that. And I was just following my buddy. He booked this. If you guys want information, we can try to get it. I think we booked it through the people at the Airbnb. I quite frankly don't know how to contact this this outfit other than that. Again, if you guys ask, I can get some more info about that. So the concept here is that we're going up to sluice for gold. Not something I would normally do, but pretty cool. I think we're like 20 minutes from the highway into the Osa Peninsula here. You can see it's pretty jungly. Pretty jungly, very green. Very nice, very nice. So guys, let's continue this up to the next portion. Again, I don't know. We're doing this live. I don't know what the next part is going to be. I'll see you there. All right, guys, so there are a couple river crossings. I decided to go off the trail shoes into the water shoes. You know, the link's in the description. So check that out. Very useful for just crossing stuff like this because they dry out quick. Oh, the dog's following me. The dog wants to find gold too. Okie dokie. So this is the second river we've crossed. Same river, second crossing. I don't know how far we got to go before. Oh, there's a horse too. I was gonna say that sounded like a big dog coming up behind me. Hola. But it was a horse. I guess horses are just giant dogs anyways. That's a female dog. Look at the terrain here. This is wild. So I don't know why there's so much gold in Osa. This is like the gold area, apparently. This guy's probably a gold prospector too. So I guess we're just taking a quick break. I like it. And we will continue on further. Okay, so it looks like this might be where we're setting up. So look at this. They've kind of got it set up like little dams, right? There's little like dams in the water that have been built up to try to filter out the gold. Interesting spot. So eyes down, guys. We got to be looking for the oro. So I asked what the guys are called. They're called oreros. These guys up in the hills, and apparently everybody that's up here is an orero. All the towns up here are supported by guys coming up in the hills and prospecting for gold. Cool. So I wonder how much of this is natural, and how much has been built up for the purpose of grabbing some gold off the ground. I'm not seeing any nuggets yet. I don't want to do too much work and strain myself. I just kind of want to walk around and tell myself that I'm going to find basically a gold bar. Basically, I'm going to find a Federal Reserve gold bar. I don't think I should show that. That's the secret hiding spot for the tools. Cool. Well, let's get to work here, guys. Okay, so here's the first step. Here's the first step. Digging up some rocks. Yeah, getting a little mixy poo in. Yep. Because the gold is heavy. Gold is heavy. Unlike my heart. It's made out of styrofoam and duct tape. And tar. Let's get a different angle here. Cool, so then this is the sleuth. I've seen like videos of guys doing this before on YouTube. I think we kind of use the little bottle to blast away stuff. And then the sleuth. Oh, what the? All these like little floating things everywhere. I'm the worst laborer ever. I'm the guy that just sits around the job site and talks. Terrible. So this is the process. So this gets rid of all the rocks. Yeah. All right, so the work continues here. I'm not doing it. So these are for the gold. Once the gold is obtained, there's the gold. Guys, this is the backpack I'm using. I use this everywhere I go. It locks up at the top. And it has like hex webbing, so I've got my shoes bungee corded in there. There's another guy. Oh man. We're still just looking, man. It's a lot of work, you know, and you get these little flakes. You get these little flakes dripped up. Has gold been found? Oh yeah. Where?
Right here.
That's gold. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. I see. Here. Let me zoom in on that. Oh wow. I can't even
see it.
Can't even see it. It's so tiny. What's that worth? Oh, okay, there it is. That's probably worth like what? 300, 500. It's gold, man. Dollars, dude.
No.
We're talking about. So we just got to look for the gold. Cool. So guys, we got a little flake so far. We're doing good. We're doing good. This is a good start.
As long as I don't drop it.
Don't drop it. Yeah, that's right. It's kind of sticky though. You're gonna get a little bit wet if you come out on this expedition. So you just kind of spin this around like this, and you're basically trying to agitate the gold down and get rid of the bigger rocks. So the gold flakes are heavier than the other rocks. They sink to the bottom. So you're just trying to basically reduce this all the way down to sand. Just a little bit of sand, and then that's where the gold should be. So now I guess we're like agitating more of the earth. And I presume that this does two purposes. One, it goes deeper, and then two, it's building like a natural kind of catchment area. So when more gold comes down the river, more gold flakes, it's gonna be caught. All right, so now the next step is in place. We're gonna start shoveling material into the sluice. So I guess we dump it right at the front. The big rocks are taken away. Big rocks are taken, and the rest is sent through. All right, so here's the next process for the gold. So little dam has been constructed with the sluice. We're shoveling material in front, and you just use your hands and move the big rocks and kind of softly then send the sand in. into the sluice, and there's little grass things here. Can you see them? Right here, there's like little mesh that is going to catch gold flakes. That's the concept. All right, so we've got a spider. Got a spider here, guys. What kind of spider is that? What are we looking at here? Thought he was going to hide from me, but I got them eyes. I got them eyes. I don't want to get too close because I don't got that reaction time to jump away from a spider. Looks like a long-legged long leg. It's a black long-legged long leg. So just when you come out here, watch for literally any rock might have a spider. All right, guys. So here is the final thing. So the sluice has been emptied. And it's still in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Lots and lots. I'm gonna be rich. I'm not gonna eat cat food tonight. Nice.
That's not.
How many grams do you think that is?
No, it's not even a gram.
0.7?
Not a gram. A little bit in there.
Yeah.
Little pieces. Oh shit. Lots in there.
Yeah. All right, guys, so there you have it. Looking for gold outside Puerto Jiménez in Osa Peninsula. It's about 20 minutes drive from Puerto Jiménez itself. Mostly gravel roads, so keep that in mind if you're coming here. Super nice area though, lots to do, lots to see. We met the tour guide there. And if you guys want the information on how to contact one of the gold guys, apparently there's 8 in this town. Leave me a comment and I will link you up with his WhatsApp information. There he is right there. Thanks again for watching, guys. Bye now.